back to Pink's Kitchen. Today, let's check out how to sharpen household dull scissors. This is a very useful hack to restore your dull scissors that you think is no more useful. So let's get started. I have a very dull scissors. You can see it's struggling to cut through the folded tissue paper. Now let's go fix it. Heat the scissor blade in direct fire for 5 to 10 seconds. Make sure the blades don't change color. I've taken a medicine wrapper. I don't have any medicine inside, we only need the wrapper. Now cut it into small pieces using the scissors. Cut it into irregular shapes and size. Also make angular cuts to make sure the entire portion of the scissor blade is in contact with the medicine wrapper. If you don't have a medicine wrapper, you can go with any aluminium foil or even a sandpaper will serve. When you're almost done, use the remaining small portion of the medicine wrapper to rub the scissor blades like this. Rub on both sides of the scissors. Now our dull scissor is nice and sharp, so let's go check on the sharpness of the scissor. Back to the folded tissue paper. See how smooth the scissor is now running? So no more discarding the dull scissors. Very useful DIY hack to sharpen a very dull scissors. Give this hack a try and write back to me a feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.